Hey guys, this is, let me fix something. This is my first cover using my new ukulele. It's called Oh It Is Love by Hello Goodbye. Oh, it is love from the first time I set my eyes upon yours, thinking, oh, is it love? Oops. Oh dear, it's been hardly a moment and you are already missed. There is still a bit of your skin that I've yet to have kissed. Oh, say please do not go, but you know that I must. Oh, say I love you so, but you know you can trust. We'll be holding hands once again. All our broken plans will have been. I will kiss you soft so you know it is love from the first time I pressed my hand against yours, thinking, oh, is it love? Oh dear, it's been hardly 3 days and I'm longing to feel your embrace. There are several days until I can see your sweet face. Oh, say wouldn't you like to be older and married with me? Oh, say wouldn't you like to know right now that we'll be someday holding hands in the end. All our broken plans will have been. I will kiss you soft so you know it is love from the first time I set my lips against yours, thinking, oh, is it love? Your heart may long for love that is more near. So when I'm gone, these words will be here to ease up every fear and dry up every tear and make it very clear. I kiss you and I know it is love from the first time I pressed my lips against yours, thinking, oh, is it love? Oh, it is love from the first time I pressed my lips against yours, thinking, oh, is it love? And I kiss you and I know it is love from the first time I pressed my lips on yours, thinking, oh, is it love? Just wanted to add that thing at the end. Hope you liked it. Peace.